Alright, Secondhand Overland here. This is a West Kelowna raging fire report. Looks like the fire's happening from my front yard. It doesn't look like it's very far away. Oh, it looks like the wife is home. And yeah, that's just a hill yonder from my house in West Kelowna. West Kelowna Fire 2023. The fire has come over the hill in West Kelowna. This is a view from my front yard. It doesn't seem like it's very far from my house. It's burning pretty good. So yeah, it's about midnight or so. And the fire is raging. Welcome to Secondhand Overland, guys. Check it out. West Bank fire. You can't really see much right now with the smoke. I'll try and add some clips in for you just to be able to see it. We have forest fire happening. You can see the amount of smoke we have happening. Hey, there's the Jeep. But yeah, there's the amount of smoke we have happening. We're in day 2 or 3 of West Kelowna being filled with smoke and ash falling, and pretty much weather being really bad. Well, it's calm right now, but you know, when it's windy, the fire kicks up pretty bad. You can see the amount of smoke we have already. You could say there's our ominous weather up there. There's the clouds coming off all the fire. Let's see if I can climb up here and get a better view. You can see all the smoke coming off the hill, but there's the hill up there. You can kind of see the smoke. So hey, it's a really good day to fire up the Demon, I think. So I gotta get the tires put on it. These front tires, even though they look spectacular, I truly love these slotted mags. Like these tires, super wide. Unfortunately, these tires have cracks in them. Let's see if I can show you. Ooh. The wind out there is getting ominous as well. But now, well, the wind shredded my tent again. But I got to get my car moved because my tent situation needs to be changed. I need to move the car up in under this part of the tent and then cover the back of it. So I want to do some work to it, and I got to rearrange my shelter from the extended part of the tent, and then I got to get it moved up against this part of the tent so the car can drive into this corner. So that's the plan. You can see I got some indoor-outdoor carpet down on a bunch of plywood, so this is where I'm going to bring the car into. Right now I got to get it fired up. It hasn't been fired up in a little while. I do have a battery, but gas has not gotten up into it in quite some time. Oh, it looks like there was an animal trying to get in, so it ate some nuts right there. I'm gonna have to take care of that, so I'm gonna have to check it out, I think, before I actually try and start it. but this is moved. Oh, there's our red sun. Time to get the car fired up somehow. See if it turns over here, then I have to check the battery, I guess. Gotta find something to prop the hood up. Good as any spot. Have any power. All right, it has a battery. Let's see if it has any power. Oh, 12.5. Actually, we're doing pretty good. This battery is probably going to start it. So I doubt it's got any fluid. Let's listen. Oh no, it sounds dry. Sounds very dry, and it seemed a little sticky there too. So I'm gonna have to see if that's an issue or not. All right, let's see if this old demon will fire up. We got apocalyptic weather out there. Everything's just bad as it is, and you know, if it fires right away, it's meant to run. We'll see. We'll see. Something clicked. Oh, dirty terminal. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that got a little warm. Okay, there, that's good. Dodge is like being hit like that. More hammering. That should be all right. I think we're clear. I think we're good. Try again. Ooh, that freaking animal eat something. That's what I'm wondering. The animal eat the wire or something. More hammering. Could be the starter. Oh, lost it completely. I don't have a side mount, so that's the best I got for that. Make sure these aren't having a problem, I guess. Maybe that's a bad brown there too. That's a possibility. Looks like everything's a little loose. Huh. Well, let's try it out again. Go. Hasn't run in a while. Sounds a little rough. Firing pretty good. I think the gas is dead. All right, well, not running very good, that's for sure. My spark plug's loose, maybe. Feels okay. I don't think that's moved. Started pretty quick. Nah, it's probably just super dead gas. Yeah, super dead gas. So there you go. It fired. Now I gotta move it. It moved. Okie doke, let's see if it'll fire up one last time here. Guys around. Oh, it's my dash cam. It's trying to stay running. Oh, not quite. Keep bashing the camera. Well, that sucks. That's a bit too well. Oh, the demon moved. That's good. Sure is dirty. It's a dirty demon. Really dirty demon. Looks like I might have to go up an inch or two more because I gotta rearrange some metal racking here. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta actually move up some more. Did the demon move? Did the mouse house move where all the mice live?